So we are breaking this big story on India Today that government of India has responded to President Donald Trump and his claims. India has decided to take head-on with President Donald Trump on his claims about India fueling the Russian war machinery. The statistics given by the Ministry of External Affairs in a formal statement clearly shows that it's not India which is actually fueling the Russian war machine by Russian oil purchase, because Europe is buying more than what India is buying from Russia. So clearly this is a distinction. This is a big statement coming from the government of India. Ministry of External Affairs has put out a statement stating that it's the Europe which is buying more goods from Russia. Clearly, the statistics shows here that India's oil purchase from Russia is $56 billion in year 22-25, and in year 23-24 it was $51 billion. So clearly, India is not buying the amount of oil which President Donald Trump is trying to elude. So clearly, this is a distinction. Government of India, Ministry of External Affairs has put out a statement, rebutting the statement given by President Donald Trump, because in a recent social media post, President Donald Trump has claimed that India is buying huge amount of oil from Russia and also refining it and selling it that oil in open market, and also this way fueling the Russian war machinery, and also putting the onus or putting a question on Indian outlook as far as the Russia-Ukraine conflict is concerned. The government of India has rebutted the statement by President Donald Trump by saying that there shouldn't be a two standards in this case. This is a duality of standards and outlook. On one side, Europe is buying more. Europe is buying goods worth over $63 billion from Russia, and besides that, they are also buying huge number of services, fertilizers, and other things. I'm being joined by my colleague Gaurav Sawant as well. Gaurav, this is a big statement coming from Government of India, clearly rebutting the statement by President Donald Trump and clearly making it clear before the world that who's buying more and who's fueling the Russian war machinery.